everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to do a haul, and it's a beauty haul basically, and all the stuff I got from a site called beautybigbang.com. So this was like my first time experience with this site, so I picked not a lot of products but few products here I have, and I haven't tried them yet, and I'm just gonna try it in front of you and just see, and you can see my first impressions, what I think about them, how they are. So yeah, so I will be just telling you what products I got. I also have like a discount coupon for you guys as well, so I will be linking in the description box. So if you're interested, then go and check out and order for yourself and get a nice discount. Okay, so the very first thing, I got an eyebrow pencil. I got this for my mother-in-law. Basically, she really wanted to have an eyebrow pencil, so this is the eyebrow pencil I got. This is by Magical Halo. I think this is the brand. Yeah, so let me just show you how it is. It is very similar to Sugar's Arc Arrival. Yes, so it's very similar. It has a spoolie on one side, and it has like a brow pencil on the other side. Even the shape of the brow pencil is very similar to the Sugar's Brow Arc Arrival. And yeah, so I ordered this one for my mother-in-law, and this was like really quite cheap. You can just check out the site and you can just see how reasonable and affordable the products are. I was amazed to see how reasonable they are. So I'm just gonna swatch it and see how it is. So I also like wanted to check like the quality of the product. So in this specific pencil you get 0.6 grams of the products. Let's just check out how it works. I'm just gonna swatch at the back of my hand, and all right, it's quite nice. It is gliding on my hand very easily, and I think it will work amazing on the brows. And you're also getting a spoolie. I think this is a very nice gift for my mother-in-law. And the shade I got is 02, and this particular brow pencil is called Sculpting Stereo Eyebrow Draw Smoothly by Magic Halo Cosmetic Pro. That was the first product I ordered from the site. I ordered only 4 things, not much. So the next thing I called are these. They are tweezers for lashes. Like if you want to apply lashes, you have a special kind of tweezers for that. So I didn't have that. That's why I ordered these. So this is how they look like. They're like a normal tweezers for lashes. I am actually not getting the exact word for these. So steel or metal tweezers for applying fake lashes. Alright, so the next product I got is a face palette. Again, I got this for my mom-in-law, and this is again Beauty Big Bang face palette. It has a contour, a highlight, and a blush, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 8.4 grams, and it's cruelty free. And the shade I got is 04. I'm just gonna open and see how it looks like, how the pigmentation is, and whatever I am showing in this video, I will be linking that down, so you can just check it out. It comes in a cardboard box like this, which is nice. Alright, so I really like the packaging. It is not a cheap packaging, it's quite nice, and it is like a matte black case, and it's written Beauty Big Bang Blush, Highlighter and Contour. It's very, very travel friendly. You can just throw it into your purse and you're good to go. It just looks like a compact, but you are getting 3 of the things: blush, contour and highlight. Let me just open and see how it looks like. Ooh, it looks pretty, and it also has a mirror. Normally contour palettes, these kind of face palettes don't have mirrors, but here you're also getting a mirror, which is nice. Again, a perfect gift for my mom-in-law. And the shades are also nice. Alright, so let me just swatch the shades. And check the pigmentation. Okay, so they have a decent pigmentation, and I really love the highlight. It's really nice. Yeah, highlight is really nice. Even the contour shade is very nice. The blush shade can look a little bit chalky, but it's decent. I won't say it's bad, it's decent. So yeah, love the shades, all of the shades I would say. Alright, I'm just left with one more product and I'm a little disappointed with this one. I ordered this eyeliner and this is like a 2-in-1 eyeliner, and this was in this condition when I got. It's like open, the packaging is open, and I ordered for black color and then they sent me 02 like a copper color. Yeah, so I'm a little disappointed because I didn't get the exact shade I wanted, and it was open. And this is basically like a cushion eyeliner, and it says it's air cushion feather ink eyeliner and brow, so you can use it on your brows as well as an eyeliner. This is by Well Content, but really not happy with the packaging and how I got. Anyways, I will mail about this to them, and let's just check out how the product is, how it looks like. Alright, so this is how the bottle looks like. It looks really pretty. It just reminds me of those old days when there were no pens. You have to and when people used a feather and ink to write on the paper, so the bottle reminds me of that, and which is really pretty. I actually ordered this because of the bottle only, because I liked the bottle so much. But I ordered the black shade and I got 02, which is not a black shade, it's more like a copper shade. Basically this feather is a brush, so you can see it's a brush, and there's no product on here because it's just like a brush holder. The product is underneath here, so I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. So this here, it is the product. It's basically a cushion liner, so I'm just gonna swatch and see how it is, though it's not the same color I expected, but still I'm just gonna swatch and see how it is. It's not like a proper copper, it's more of like a brown color, which is okay, because I thought it to be like a copper color because it was seeming to be a copper color, but now I can see it's a brown color, which is nice, and it is a very good shade for the brows as well. So yeah, I'm not that disappointed, but it was open. That really disturbed me, that my product was already open. I don't know whether it's used or not. I can't say anything because I'm not sure about the product. Maybe it is used, that's why it was open, and maybe that's why and I don't know whether I got the full quantity of this product or not, because if it's used, then I don't know. I am a little doubtful about this product. Anyways, that was all the products I got from beautybigbang.com. If you're interested to see the site and order for yourself, then you can use my discount code, which is written in the description box. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, help me grow. And yeah, that's it for the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.
Oh.